Hi, my name is Kylie. Open browser and clone this git to the folder. Open cmd and write this command python -m venv. I already created, so cancel it. After creating, click venv folder, open scripts folder. Open the command. Write activate to run venv python. Go back to main folder by entering cd. Pip install, but Torch program not installed, so I search for Torch, which is I manually downloaded. After, go to rename and copy the full name of the Torch file and paste it. After, pip install and click enter. Activate the venv, and run this. It will install the missing pips. If you are getting error, please install packages one by one. After successfully installed, click again setup.bat. You can see I am not getting any error message. After, choose this machine. 2 no distribution training, 3 no CPU, 4 no scripts, 5 no deep seed, 6 all GPUs, 7 if you have LowVram, choose FP16. After everything, enter 5 and run in browser.